My name is Lizzy Hanks, and I'm an assistant professor at the University of South Florida. I use corpus methods to study questions about conversation, pragmatics, and vocabulary. Today, I'm talking about teaching the art of conversation. And this talk will describe the creation of a new spoken corpus of American English conversation called the Lancaster Northern Arizona Corpus of American Spoken English. And I'll talk about how that corpus can be used for informing our teaching. I initially became interested in conversation based on my own experience, learning how to converse with others, both in my L1 and my L2. I think, needless to say, this is a really challenging skill. And looking at conversational data it becomes even more clear that conversation is really complicated, it's super intricate. And I think that's something that draws me to the study of conversation. But what I love even more than that is the applications. I think that once we study conversation, once we start looking more closely at the data, we can find patterns that we can use for teaching English as a second language as well as other languages.